Roof installation is a crucial aspect of home construction. It protects your home from weather elements. A well-installed roof adds to the aesthetic appeal of your house. Shingled roofs are popular because they are durable and cost-effective. This guide will help you master the art of installing a shingled roof. Shingled roofs are composed of overlapping elements. These elements are usually flat, rectangular shapes laid from the bottom edge of the roof up. Each successive course overlaps the joints below. This design helps to shed water effectively. Installing a shingled roof might seem daunting. However, with the right tools and techniques, it becomes manageable. This guide covers everything from the initial preparation to the final inspection. By following these steps, you will ensure your roof is both durable and visually appealing. Let's dive into the details. Before starting the installation, inspect the roof surface. Ensure it is clean and free of any debris. This step is crucial for the longevity of your shingles. Clean the surface thoroughly to remove leaves, dirt, and old roofing material. Next, check for any damage to the roof deck. Look for signs of rot or mold. These issues need to be addressed before proceeding. Replace any damaged sections with new materials. A solid roof deck is essential for a successful installation. Inspect the flashing around chimneys and vents. Ensure they are in good condition. Replace any damaged flashing to prevent leaks. Proper flashing ensures water is directed away from these vulnerable areas. Finally, ensure the roof deck is dry before starting the installation. Moisture can prevent shingles from adhering properly. Dry conditions are ideal for roof installation. Now, you are ready to move to the next step. The drip edge is a vital component of roof installation. It helps direct water away from the roof's edges. Start by installing the drip edge along the eaves. Use roofing nails to secure it in place. Ensure it overlaps at the corners to prevent water infiltration. Next, install the underlayment. This layer provides additional protection against water. Roll out the underlayment starting from the bottom edge of the roof. Overlap each row by about 6 inches. Secure it with roofing nails, ensuring it is flat and smooth. For added protection, use an ice and water shield. This material adheres to the roof deck and provides a waterproof barrier. Apply it along the eaves and valleys, where water runoff is most significant. This step is crucial in colder climates. Ensure the underlayment covers the entire roof surface. This layer acts as a secondary barrier against water. Proper installation is key to preventing leaks and ensuring the longevity of your roof. Now you are ready to lay the starter shingles. Starter shingles are the first row of shingles you lay. They provide a secure base for the main shingles. Start at the bottom edge of the roof. Align the starter shingles with the drip edge. This ensures a straight and even base. Cut the starter shingles to fit the length of the roof. Use a utility knife for precise cuts. Secure the starter shingles with roofing nails. Place the nails about 6 inches apart. Ensure the nails penetrate the roof deck for a strong hold. Overlap the starter shingles at the corners. This prevents water from seeping under the shingles. Continue laying the starter shingles along the roof's edge. Ensure they are straight and evenly spaced. Once the starter shingles are in place, you are ready to begin the main shingle installation. The starter shingles provide a solid foundation, ensuring the main shingles are secure and properly aligned. Section 5. Main shingle installation, techniques and patterns. Now, it's time to install the main shingles. Start at the bottom edge of the roof, just above the starter shingles. Align the first row of shingles with the starter shingles. Ensure they overhang the edge by about ½ an inch. Use a staggered pattern for the shingles. This pattern helps prevent leaks by ensuring the seams are not aligned. Cut the first shingle in half to start the second row. This staggered effect provides better coverage and a more professional look. Secure each shingle with roofing nails. Place the nails about 1 inch from the edges and about 6 inches apart. Ensure the nails are driven in straight to avoid damaging the shingles. Continue this process, working your way up the roof. Overlap each row of shingles by about 5 inches. This overlap ensures water is directed away from the roof. Proper alignment and spacing are crucial for a durable and visually appealing roof. Take your time to ensure each shingle is placed correctly. Section 6. Cutting shingles for corners and edges. Corners and edges require careful attention. Use a utility knife to cut the shingles to fit. Measure each section precisely. Proper cuts ensure a seamless look and prevent water infiltration. Start with the corners. Cut the shingles to fit snugly around the corners. Use roofing nails to secure them in place. Ensure the nails are evenly spaced and penetrate the roof deck for a strong hold. Next, cut the shingles for the edges. These sections often require angled cuts. Measure and mark the cuts before using the utility knife. This step ensures precision and a professional finish. Secure the edge shingles with roofing nails. Ensure they are tightly placed to prevent wind uplift. Proper cutting and securing of corner and edge shingles are crucial for the roof's integrity and appearance. Section 7. Securing ridge vents and hip shingles. Ridge vents are essential for proper ventilation. They allow hot air to escape from the attic. Start by cutting a slot along the ridge. The slot should be wide enough to accommodate the vent. Ensure the cut is straight and even. Place the ridge vent over the slot. Secure it with roofing nails. Ensure the nails penetrate the roof deck for a strong hold. The ridge vent should run the entire length of the roof for optimal ventilation. Next, install the hip shingles. These shingles cover the roof's hip and ridge lines. Start at one end and work your way to the other. Overlap each hip shingle to ensure proper coverage. Secure the hip shingles with roofing nails. Ensure they are evenly spaced and aligned. Proper installation of ridge vents and hip shingles ensures efficient ventilation and a polished look. Section 8. Adding soffits for ventilation and aesthetic appeal. Soffits play a dual role. They provide ventilation and enhance the roof's appearance. Start by measuring the soffit area. Cut the soffit panels to fit the measurements. Use a circular saw for precise cuts. Install the soffit panels along the eaves. Secure them with screws or nails. Ensure they are evenly spaced and aligned. Proper installation of soffits enhances airflow and prevents moisture buildup. Next, install the soffit vents. These vents allow air to flow into the attic. Place the vents at regular intervals along the soffit panels. Secure them with screws or nails. Ensure they are tightly fastened to prevent gaps. Proper soffit installation is crucial for maintaining a well-ventilated attic. It also adds a finished look to the roof. Take your time to ensure the soffits are properly cut and secured. Section 9. Installing downspouts for efficient water drainage. Downspouts are essential for directing water away from the roof. Start by measuring the length of the downspout. Cut the downspout to fit the measurements. Use a hacksaw for precise cuts. Install the downspout brackets along the wall. Secure them with screws. Ensure the brackets are evenly spaced for proper support. Attach the downspout to the brackets. Ensure it is tightly secured to prevent movement. Next, attach the downspout to the gutter. Use a downspout connector for a secure fit. Ensure the connector is tightly fastened to prevent leaks. Direct the downspout away from the foundation to prevent water damage. Proper installation of downspouts is crucial for efficient water drainage. It prevents water from pooling around the foundation. Ensure the downspouts are securely fastened and directed away from the house. Section 10. Final inspections and touch-ups. Once the installation is complete, conduct a thorough inspection. Check for any loose shingles or nails. Ensure all shingles are properly aligned and secured. Address any issues promptly to prevent future problems. Inspect the flashing around chimneys and vents. Ensure it is properly sealed and secured. Proper flashing prevents water from seeping into the roof. Address any gaps or loose sections. Next, inspect the ridge vents and hip shingles. Ensure they are tightly secured and aligned. Proper installation of these components ensures efficient ventilation and a polished look. Finally, conduct a thorough cleanup. Remove any debris from the roof and surrounding area. Proper cleanup ensures the longevity of the roof and enhances the overall appearance. Section 11. Maintenance tips for longevity. Regular maintenance is crucial for the longevity of your roof. Conduct periodic inspections to check for any damage. Address any issues promptly to prevent further damage. Keep the roof clean. Remove any debris such as leaves and branches. Debris can trap moisture, leading to mold and rot. Regular cleaning ensures the roof remains in good condition. Inspect the gutters and downspouts. Ensure they are clean and free of any blockages. Proper drainage prevents water from pooling on the roof and causing damage. Finally, check the flashing and seals around chimneys and vents. Ensure they are properly sealed and secured. Proper maintenance ensures your roof remains durable and visually appealing for years to come.